Hi student, welcome back. So today we are going to learn chapter 3 from 3 KSSM Science regarding blood circulatory system. So previous video we already learned about transportation, and this chapter we're going to learn about blood circulatory system. Okay, so blood circulatory, what do you mean by circulate? Circulate. Go in, go out, circulate. So the blood circulatory system, correct or not? The being go in, go out, go in, go out, go in, go out, go in, go out. Blood circulatory system. So humans and all vertebrates. What is vertebrate? Vertebrates are animal with backbone. Means got the bone lah. Okay? Human, dinosaur, elephant, kangaroo got bone. Invertebrate means no bone, like snail, jellyfish, cacing, centipede. So they are not vertebrate, they are invertebrate. So human are vertebrates. So vertebrate is divided into 5: mammal, reptile, amphibians, birds, and fish. Still remember or not? I think we learned this in standard 5, standard 5 or standard 6. We are considered a complex organism because due to our size and our system, the complex system. So we have a blood circulatory system. Blood go in, go out, go in, go out. Unlike jellyfish, do jellyfish have the blood go in, go out? Because jellyfish is not invertebrates. Crab is invertebrates because crab don't have bone. Do crab have blood? I'm not sure, but I haven't seen crab. My mom sometimes cut the crab, but there's no blood in the crab. How about centipede? Centipede got blood. But one thing we know is vertebrates, the complex organism usually have blood. Like frog got blood, crocodile got blood, fish got blood, bird got blood. So we call this whole thing, the blood go in, go out, blood circulatory system. In all the blood circulatory system of all vertebrate, blood flow continuing through a blood vessel. You know blood vessel? Vessel is the pipe. This is the blood vessel. Vessel means what? If you still... Vessel is like a ship, right? The definition of vessel. Correct or not? A ship. Or a place to transport things. A place, a vessel. Blood vessel means a place you go inside, a vessel, a place you go inside. So the blood go inside here. So we call it blood vessel. You go inside here, the blood. Okay. So blood vessel to all part of body through a complete cycle through the heart. So as you all know, we have heart. Heart got two meaning, right? One heart is the physical heart, pump the blood. The pump spoil means you die. Pump the blood. Another heart meaning is you got no heart lah, didn't treat me,冇請我，你冇心嘅你。That's two meaning, right? But when we talk like that, you got no heart doesn't mean that you got no heart, but you got no heart because you didn't belanja me makan. So now I'm going to give you my bank account number. So in case you got heart, you want to donate me money so that to treat me eat. So yeah, so my account number is blah 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 blah. Okay. However, there's a significant difference in the blood circulatory system among mammal. Yeah, mammal, reptile, amphibian, bird, and fish is different. Due to the heart is different, we got 4 channel heart. Some heart only got 2 channel. Some heart is 2 channel. Some heart is 3 channel. Channel means the place to go in and the blood to come out. It depends. And grasshopper don't have heart, right? Because grasshopper is invertebrates. Okay, so we have a cycle. Again, mammal, reptile, amphibian, bird, and fish has a complete cycle part in our body. And what is the number of artery and vertical? What is artery and vertical? What is it? 2 2 3 5 I also don't know what is it. So what is atria and ventricle? Let me show you. Atria and ventricle. So we can see from here got one atrium and one ventricle. So one atrium, one ventricle. Here you got see two atrium, one ventricle. Two atrium, one ventricle. This is for amphibian like frog. Fish, one atrium, one ventricle. Very smaller, I think. Fish one is smaller. Shark. I'm not sure about shark, but I think shark is considered fish. So maybe the ventricle and atrium of the shark is bigger. And we have reptile. Let's count. One atrium, two atrium, one ventricle, 3. This mammal and birds like human, me and you. One atrium, two atrium, one ventricle, two ventricle, 4. So the question asks how many in the mammal, reptile, amphibian, bird, fish. Mammal 4, I already show you, okay? Fish got 2, correct or not? 1, 2. You can count by yourself. Carried out activity 3.2 to find out the differences. Sometimes when you look at this picture, students don't understand. What is this? Does it even make sense? Because why 这个是一条了，不是一条这样奇怪一条。Actually, it's just a picture. 这个不是一条。This one means many vessels. Here also many, a lot of vessels. You just want to draw you simple. If you want to draw many, the whole book also not enough. So you want to make it easy, draw a simple diagram. Okay, a simple one. So that's the first thing, a simple diagram. Second thing, student might confuse. A, what is this thing? This one is what? This one is what? This is your body cell. Not the body cell, the capillary in your body, so that it can go to your body cell, like your hand. Like I say lah, I breathe, the oxygen go to the hand because my hand is moving. So this means what? This can be the hand, can be the leg, can be the eye, can be the whole body, because got the blood capillary. That is why the picture don't draw out. If the picture want to draw, you need to draw a human. So it doesn't make a point. So I need to draw a fish. So he just draw a simple one so that you guys can understand. So I hope that you can understand this picture. Let me erase all this word. Same like for human. Let's see human. So this is for human mammal. When your heart pump the blood, so when it pump the blood, where does it leads to? It will lead to your body cell, your hand. After hand, carry it the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide go to where? Go to the lung. The lung pump the blood out. Go to the where? Go to the lung, face. The lung say, okay, no oxygen already, I give you oxygen. Take the oxygen again, go to the lung. Lung do what? Lung pump. Pump the blood to what? To the body again. Correct or not? Pump it to the body, then the body pump to the lung pump to the lung. So the process will continue to repeat until the day we die. So luckily, all this thing is still functioning well. If not, you will be not watching this video. We will need to sit in the hospital already. So let's erase all this thing. Okay, so let's look at this one. Blood circulatory similarity made up of a system that allow blood to continue flow through the blood vessel, through the heart, pump the blood. So all of these animals got heart. 有心. Correct or not? Got heart. Not one even animal. But there's a difference in terms of circulatory system. So what is the difference? So for this one, what are the differences? At least I don't think exam, I don't know, it might come out, but hopefully it won't. Just in case it come out, you need to understand what are the difference in terms of blood circulatory. We are talking about blood. We are not talking about characteristic, living in the land, got lung, giving birth to young, and so on, or laying egg. We are talking about blood circulatory system, your blood. So the differences for fish is single blood circulatory. Single blood, why I want to say single? What do you mean by single, incomplete, and double? Single, if you look at fish, only one highway. One way only. One way go, one way finish one round. So they call this as a single blood circulatory system. Amphibian, we look at amphibian. Amphibian, what is amphibian? So we can look at amphibian, incomplete double circulatory system. Blood need to flow to the heart twice to complete the one cycle. Means need to go in 2 times. Let's say I put the blood here. Sorry, start from the heart lah. Start from the heart with oxygen. So the oxygen will go to your body, then go back, and then go out again, and then go back. So he need to go out 2 times and come back 2 times. But this one only need to go out 1 time, come back 1 time. That's why we call it a single circulatory. This one incomplete or double circulatory system, because you need to go the same blood, you need to go out 2 times and you need to come in 2 times. And for the reptile incomplete, again is 2 times. 2 times go in, 2 times go out. And for the human is 2 times. 2 times go in, 2 times go out. That's why we call it as the double circulatory system. This one is quite easy. 1 atrium, 1 ventricle. We can see from here. 1 atrium, 1 ventricle. This one got what? Many. 2 atrium, 1 ventricle. 2 atrium, 1 ventricle. 2 atrium, 2 ventricle. So we can see from here. 2 atrium, 2 ventricle. 2 atrium, 1 ventricle. 2 atrium, 1 ventricle for amphibian. How about the last one? Gases exchange in gill. Correct or not? The fish don't have lung, so the gases exchange in the gill. The fish here can breathe one. For the amphibian, the oxygen blood travel to the heart, and one thing is special is got lung and skin. The gas exchange in the lung and in the skin. Correct or not? I can breathe by the skin. Aquaman, no need to breathe by the lung, but by the skin. Reptile again by the lung, gas exchange by lung, and human also by the lung, human and bird. But only amphibian and fish a bit special. The fish got the gill and amphibian got the skin, so can breathe through their skin. If human can breathe by the skin, very good. Can go to swimming pool and swim and no need to come up. But last time I pressed the frog inside the water for too long. If you press for very long, the frog will also die, right? Like I got a tortoise, need to come out and breathe the tortoise. But tortoise also can breathe by... tortoise cannot breathe by the skin, salt already. So at last the tortoise die. Blood circulatory is human, yes. So you see this picture only 1 line only. Now they want to draw many lines, just in case you don't understand. So this is the many line. Many line. Go in, go out, go in, go out. We can see the line got 1 red color and 1 is like light green or blue color. So probably the red color is the oxygenated blood. Means got oxygen. The red color one is oxygen. Use finish already, the blue color is the deoxygen. So our blood vessel, we got 2 vessel, got the 2 type. One is the artery and the vein. One is to carry the oxygen, another one is to carry the carbon dioxide. And capillary is this thing. Then this is the capillary, many things. Of course, if you want to see by picture, it's very confusing because if you want to talk, where is my capillary? The whole body is also my blood capillary. Where is my artery? Whole body also artery. It's just inside, I cannot see. Where is my vein? Whole body also is vein. You cannot see. So they just want to make it simple for you to understand. Okay, red means carry oxygen. Blue means carry carbon dioxide. So this is example of a heart. Ew, it's like alien like that. So 恐怖 one. Why put all these things in the book? Structure or function of human heart. Human have 4 chamber. No chamber, sometimes like room. 4 chamber. 2 atria, 2 ventricle. Atria is up. Ventricle is down. Okay, so this one I think you need to memorize. You need to memorize this picture. 2 picture you need to memorize. This one is the A picture. And you need to memorize the B picture as well. A and B picture. So I start from here first, then only we memorize that one. I already say this one you need to memorize. It's exam come out. Don't say I didn't tell you because I already tell you. This one exam high chances will come out. This one also. This one also. This one also. This one also. Wow, so difficult to memorize. Nah, very easy. Not that very easy, but okay. First thing you need to know when you do, you divided it to the 4 sections. One thing you know is atrium, 2 atrium I already learned. 2 ventricle, problem solved. The second thing you need to know is left and right. You see here is right because when I talk to you, my right is here. This is my right hand and your right hand is over that side. So the right hand, but of course I already, how to say, zoom setting, actually when I raise this one, you should see my another hand, the right hand. So when I raise this hand, right, so my body here is the right part. You know, you understand what I mean or not? Means, your right is, when you look at the heart, you can see the heart is, the right is here, not here. Because they are talking about you. You don't understand, then never mind. I also don't know how to explain. But just remember your right, when you see picture, is this side. So this is the right. This is the left. Because if he is talking to you, his right is that side. So the right one is right atrium, right ventricle. Left atrium, left ventricle. Very easy to remember. Correct or not? Okay, now after you finish memorize this, you need to memorize this. Vena cava, pulmonary artery, aorta, pulmonary vein. This one I think no shortcut lah. There is no shortcut, right? So vena cava, just remember pulmonary artery. And then vena cava is here, pulmonary artery is here. Aorta is here. Pulmonary vein is here. One spoil also, we are going to die. Because now it's very advanced lah. Sometimes we have the electronic heart, all these things. So this one you need to remember. I already say, remember this. Okay, and one more thing is the semi-lunar valve. You know valve? Valve is like the water. Open the valve, then the water come out. But the valve is to make sure that it is one way. So when the blood go in, you don't go stun. If the blood go like this, go stun, die. The blood like this go means like this go. You don't go stun. Go stun, this thing will spoil. Spoil means you will die. Heart failure, we call it, correct or not? Suddenly the pump spoil. Spoil means die lah. But usually what happen is it depends, like heart attack because something block the blood or what, then the blood, the one continue pump this boy, die. Sometimes people got jantung berlubang, here got hole, correct or not? Here got hole and then the blood start to mix, die. So a lot of things. So this picture is you need to know. And for this one is more complicated because it is not like the picture left right. It's more like 啪在那边. After that you need to memorize. It's still the same thing, but if for me I would try to do is to cut it first so that it's easier for me. Cut it like this. Can or not? Cut like this first. So right ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle, right atrium, left atrium. Again, vena cava aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. You can see from here, vena cava, pulmonary artery, aorta, pulmonary vein. Same, okay. Vena cava, aorta, pulmonary artery, and then this one is pulmonary vein. Same like the picture just now. Just you need to memorize the sequence. Again, oxygen means red. Sometimes the question asks you to label in or out. So let's say your answer will be out. The next question is go where? Where does the destination? So you say to the whole body lah, to the body for, still remember or not? For what is it called? Cellular respiration. Correct or not? Cellular respiration happen in my body. Okay, so as I mentioned before, blood artery 那个 wire we only know got one wire, but actually got three types. One is artery, capillary, and vein. Okay, the relationship between artery, capillary, and vein. Okay, first we want to know artery and vein, what's the difference? Artery is, you can see from here, rapid flow in a high blood pressure. And this one, the vein is more slow. So one is fast, one is slow. For the artery is fast, for the vein is slow. So which one you want? You want fast or slow? So for this one, both also you need, okay? You need fast and you need slow. That is why when we cut the hand, sometimes the blood like fountain, all the blood come out. Like the movie, and then all the blood. Sometimes because you cut the artery, because the artery is high blood pressure. Sometimes you cut, then the person 流血，那个血是 in the movie 黑色 black color, because and then the blood slowly come out, not fast one, 不是 slowly come out. 我不也是 because why? Because first it is slow, and secondly the blood is to transport deoxygenated. Means it is no oxygen one. If the blood got less oxygen, usually it's like more like black color more, because got no oxygen. And sometimes you can see very red. Very red means it got oxygen. Very artery transport deoxygenated body from the heart to the. Okay, so yeah, for the high pressure one, we call it as artery, is to carry oxygenated blood. So if oxygenated, then it is more red. For the slow one is to carry deoxygenated blood. Means no oxygen one. So slowly bring it to your lung and to reprocess it. One is fast, one is slow. Both are very important. That's why sometimes you see the movie drama, sometimes slow means black color, fast means red color. But if the blood still black color means the person don't know how to make movie. Vein, capillary, and artery. Vein got big lumen. Artery got small lumen. And this one is the most thin. Large lumen. Let's say if the blood I cut out, it will be like this. And if I want to draw up the cross section, it's like this big. The hole is this big. This one is the hole is lumen is very small. So traffic jam, all the blood go inside, but it will move very fast because we still got a lot of blood. So we need to push the blood will move very fast. So this one is called high pressure. This one, because it's big, then you can slowly do. Why high pressure? Because you want to push the blood to the head, to the leg, so we need high pressure. But for this one, it's more for the vein. It's like you don't need to like pump the blood to the whole body, just to the lung, so slowly, because the blood slowly go, slowly. This one lumen fast. Why fast? Not only fast, he wants strong, so can go to the head, can go to the leg. Capillary is one layer of cell thick. Capillary, capillary cell is the thinnest cell. Okay, so that's it. So I teach until here, and I hope to see you during the next video. Thank you and bye bye.